Hi guys, my name is Manik Gupta. Hope you guys are doing well. Yesterday we started a series of chart patterns. We discussed about bullish flag chart pattern. So today we are going to discuss about bearish flag chart pattern. In this video, we will learn how to identify bearish flag and also we will discuss about entry, exit and stop loss levels. Alright guys, so let's start with how to identify bearish flag using this picture in few steps. Step 1, whenever market goes downwards continuously, it will make a pole as you can see in this picture. This is called a pole of a bearish flag. Now coming to the step 2, if the market makes a pullback upwards in a parallel zone at the bottom of the pole, and if the market consolidates in this parallel zone by making higher highs, higher highs and higher highs, and also higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, then this form of chart pattern is called a bearish flag chart pattern. If step 1 and step 2 confirm these two situations, then you have successfully identified bearish flag chart pattern. Now let's discuss about the entry, how you can make an entry in bearish flag. So whenever a red candle close below this parallel line or it breaks this parallel line and close below that, either you can use 5-minute candle or you can use 15-minute candle. So if the candle close below this line, then you can make an entry, you can place an order at this level. So this point is called a entry point, or you can also call it a breakdown point. So this is a point where you can make an entry. Now guys, let me explain you how to identify a bearish flag chart pattern in the chart itself. This is a chart of Banknifty at 5-minute time frame. This is the trade that we have also discussed yesterday in our Telegram channel. If someone wants to check, they can visit our Telegram channel. The link is available in the description. So let's come back to the chart. As you can see, if you remember, we discussed step 1. Whenever market goes downwards continuously, it will make a pole as you can see in this chart pattern. So this pole is called the pole of bearish flag. Now, if the market makes a pullback upwards in a parallel zone and the market consolidates in this parallel zone by making higher highs and higher lows, then this form of chart pattern is called bearish flag chart pattern. Hope you guys understand how to identify a bearish flag chart pattern. Let's discuss how to make an entry, exit and stop loss levels in bearish flag. So once the market consolidates in this zone, in this parallel zone, you need to wait for 5-minute candle or a 15-minute red candle to close below this line, below this parallel line. So here you can see in this chart pattern, there is a red candle that is been closed below this parallel line. So this point is called the breakout point. So this is a level where you can make an entry when it gives you a breakout, but you need to make sure that the red candle must be closed. then only you have to make an entry at this point of time. Now let's discuss another form of entry, that is called a retest entry. So whenever a red candle close below this parallel line, the market will be going to make a pullback in the upward direction, and it will make a retest on this parallel line. So once it's done the retest, then you will see a strong bearish momentum downwards. So this level where it done a retest, you can also make an entry at this point of time. So these are the two different entries. This is called the retest entry. You can place an order at this point of time, or else you can make an entry at this breakout point. So these are the two forms of entry levels in bearish flag chart patterns. So guys, let's discuss about the target. What would be your logical target? So the target, that should be your next support level that you may have drawn on your chart. So once you make an entry, you can make a target at your next support level. That would be your first target, and below that you can keep trailing the stop loss. If in case you don't know how to use support, how to draw a support level, then you can also use pivot point standard indicators. There are two settings in pivot point standards that you can use. Either you can use traditional or you can use Fibonacci. So most of the time traders use Fibonacci. So you can also use, I will also recommend you guys to use pivot point standard with Fibonacci settings. So below these levels, you can always keep trailing stop loss. But for safe traders, it's better you exit at your target. Once you meet the target, just exit. Once you have confidence, once you have experience, then you can hold your profit and you can keep trailing the stop loss. Now if we talk about stop loss, there are two different strategies. First strategy is you can have a stop loss of 20% of your premium. So let's consider an example. If the premium of your trade is 100 rupees, then the 20% of 100 will be 20 rupees. So you need to deduct 20 rupees out of 100, that will be 80 rupees. So at 80 rupees, that should be your stop loss. So the current value is 100 and your stop loss would be 80 rupees. So that is the first strategy. Or else you can place your stop loss on your nearest resistance level. So on this chart pattern, you can see this is the nearest resistance level. This is the nearest resistance level. So we will be going to draw a line here. Let's draw a line. So this will be your stop loss level where you can exit. If in case a candle close above this level, then make sure you exit out of this trade because your trade is going in opposite direction. So this is for the stop loss. So I have explained you two strategy. One is for 20% of the premium and one is you can draw a stop loss level on your chart itself by using your nearest resistance level. Hope you guys have understood this topic clearly. That's all for today guys. We will come across with more chart patterns in upcoming video. Till then, keep learning and be focused. Goodbye guys. Take care. Bye bye.